You're doing good. So I'm recording this video to do an analysis on Dow Jones Index. What is the possibility today, and what we can look for in the next 2 days of the week, right? So this is the daily time frame of US 30, and it has been extremely bullish. So obviously, the main focus, the main direction that we have to look towards is buys, right? And what is the price targeting? The price is targeting these equal highs because these are very old highs and these are double tops in the market. There's a lot of resting liquidity here, so the price is targeting this level, right? Because there's a lot of money, a lot of liquidity. Big banks and hedge funds have their orders, sell orders here, right? And definitely the price is targeting this liquidity here. So looking at this time frame, on the daily time frame, we have seen from 23rd June onwards, every single day we have been pushing up. There was just one day where there was a inside bar formed, and there was inside bar formed yesterday as well, right? So we have a lot of imbalances. So obviously, when once the price has done its objective, it's going to turn around and come back to fill these imbalances, because this is where the price was not traded fairly. Only buying mostly happened, so the price needs to turn around and fill these imbalances. So most, if you look at the recent price action for trading today and tomorrow, we don't need to look at what's happened here. We just need to look at the last three daily candles, right? This is how it looks. And if we look at these three candles, this was Tuesday's candle, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and we are trading exactly in the middle here somewhere where we started. So price has not displaced much, and this is US 30, so it doesn't displace much in London and Asia session. So most displacement will happen in New York. So in New York, price can shoot up and target this, or price can come down and target this. Why this is an important area? Because this is a fair value gap, right? This is an imbalance created because of unfair price action, and this is a higher time frame key level. So if price comes here, definitely we can look for longs, targeting this high first and then here, right? So if we go on lower time frames, we look at 4-hour time frame. If you look at how the lows are stacked here, all these lows are failure swings. Means this low did not take this low, this low did not take this low, and then this low is lying here, and just below this is the daily fair value gap which we have here. So this is a good liquidity pool, and then there are liquidity pools above also. So right now I don't want to predict what will be my plan of action going on this day. It would be, if we go on low time frames and see 15-minute, right? So the day opened up here. This is the daily opening price. This is the day, this is the previous day. So previous day we opened up at this level, and we traded for some time, we traded above the opening price, and for rest of the evening we traded below, and the price nearly closed very near to where it opened. It closed here. So basically this was the body of the candle, yesterday's candle, this yellow bit, and then this remaining became the wick. So it was a doji candle, right? And today we opened up here and we are trading around it. So we haven't displaced above or below. So what I would want to see as a buyer in the market, since the price is bullish, I don't want to buy somewhere in the middle, because I may be on the wrong side of the market and the price may come down and take my SL. So the best relevant low which I see is this, right? So the best way to make money in the market is to buy low and sell high. So this is the low which I want to be taken before I buy. Because what's happening, banks, what they do is, अब आप देखो यहाँ से जब बुलिश रन चल रहा था ऊपर, राइट, तो बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे बाय में हैं ऑलरेडी, जो इन्होंने कल ट्रेड लगाया उनका ट्रेड प्लस में चल रहा है. तो हम जो ट्रेड प्लस में चलाते हैं, क्या करते हैं, वो स्टॉप लॉसेस को ट्रेल करते हैं. तो यहाँ से प्राइस यहाँ आई, इस लो पे स्टॉप लॉसेस, इस लो पे स्टॉप लॉसेस, तो वो ट्रेल करते गए आगे, इस लो पे स्टॉप लॉसेस, इस लो पे स्टॉप लॉसेस, इस लो पे स्टॉप. तो व्हाट आई वुड वांट इज द प्राइस फर्स्ट शुड रन लोअर टू टारगेट दीज सेल स्टॉप्स, right, all these stop losses. Use the money which these guys, these trades are running in. Use the same money, sell stops, to buy below these lows and then push higher. That is the ideal scenario. So we can find two trades here if we are careful and if we are vigilant during the market. There are two possibilities of trades. So if this trade, the first possibility is that we come lower and we catch some part of this move going lower, and then once the price flips, start changing structure, right, we can go higher as well, targeting the previous day high, targeting this, right? And this is more of a consolidation. I can see this looks more like a consolidation to me, so I want this to manipulate lower and then we go higher. That's my analysis. So for that to happen, right, I'm not pressing any buttons, taking any action. I'll wait for the New York opening time, 9:30 equity is open, and see how price starts displacing, whether up or down, right? If it directly displaces up, so there are two possibilities. The price can directly start displacing up. In that case, I will not be participating very aggressively, right? I'll be careful here. I'll have to be careful. But if the price starts rolling down, then I'll try to capture part of this down move, and of course definitely I'll be interested in ups. But this is where I would be interested in longing, because price is so very high up here that longing here in such a high premium may be dangerous. And shorting makes sense if price changes the order flow. Order flow change का मतलब क्या है? Order flow change का मतलब है I want price to change, to break and close below these up close candles. So price should break, come below here, below this low, okay, should retrace, then these up close candles should push the price lower further, and then once the bearish order flow is confirmed, then I can enter in one of the legs and make money. That's the whole plan. Okay, so let's see what happens. Right now the price is pushing up. Let's see. Thank you guys.